Hello everyone, this is Sifat Ahmed. In previous class, we learn about variable. In today class, we learn about data type. Data type is very important for a programming language. Just like there is is equal to 25, you remove the s and run the code, and you can see class equal to int. Int mean integer. I already mentioned all the data type name in the top of this data type, just like height 5.9. If this is a decimal number, then this is a float variable. Float. Float is a data type which is used for decimal number. There is another data type which is string. Just like name, if we run print this and see this data types, colors, there is str meaning a string. Comment out. Then another data type is boolean. Boolean is only used for true and false. Then list, we can add a list of data in here, just like a basket of fruits, apple, banana, cherry. Another variable is a dictionary variable, name, Alice, age 30, city New York. Another is a tuple variable. Another is set variable, and another is non-type variable. If you type none, then this is a non-type variable. This all of the most usable, and you have to know if you learn Python, this all of data type. So this is for your betterment. You have to memorize this data type, or if you run the code or practice the code, then you already memorize between them. So that's all for today.